Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. But I want to say hello to everyone and definitely saying hello to Christina. Gonna kind of do a surprise for her as well. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and clean her two brothers' stone. We got Kevin Taylor and we got David Taylor. So they're also located in Roselawn Cemetery. So other than that, like I said, we're gonna surprise her and we're gonna take care of this. And I definitely want to thank both of them for their service. They're both in the service, so I definitely want to thank them deeply for their service as well. And thank you for, taking that extra step and extra mile. And we're here in, yes, Roselawn. So other than that, Christina, we're here and we're getting ready to get out and do the job for you. This is a blessing for you allowing me to do this. Thank you deeply. And make sure you spread the word and let everybody know that, hey, I'm available to do cleaning for you or anything else. Anything that you need. Other than that, we're getting ready to go. So spread the word. This is CJ signing out. Peace.